Hello everyone. Greetings from Fairmount Builders. We are proud to present the latest March construction update of the project. Concrete work. Progressing steadily with 68% completion achieved. Slab work. 74% completed, reflecting strong structural advancement. Plaster work. Initiated and currently at 7% completion. Paint work. Nearing completion with 77% progress. Basement flooring. 31% completed, ensuring durable flooring execution. Basement lighting. Installation work is actively in progress. Firefighting systems. Implementation is currently underway. Lift works. Installation is progressing as per schedule.